In this video, I'll guide you through how to sync Notion with Google Calendar. By the end, you'll have your Google Calendar embedded right inside a Notion page so you can see your events without switching between tabs. We'll keep things simple and go step by step so you can follow along even if you're new to either tool. First, head over to Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed into the account that has the calendar you want to use. It's easier if you're on a desktop or laptop for this process, since we'll be copying and pasting an embed code, which is a bit more convenient on a larger screen. Once Google Calendar is open, look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a section called My Calendars. This is where all of your personal calendars live, such as your main calendar, work calendar, or any others you've created. If you don't immediately see the list, you might need to click the small arrow or caret next to My Calendars to expand it. Next, decide which specific calendar you want to bring into Notion. Move your mouse over that calendar's name. When you hover over it, you'll see 3 vertical dots appear to the right of the calendar name. These dots are the options menu for that calendar. Click those 3 dots to open the menu. In the drop-down that appears, look for an option related to settings. From there, you'll see a section called Integrate Calendar. Go ahead and click that. This is where Google provides different ways to connect your calendar with other apps and websites. On the Integrate Calendar page, scroll until you find the area with the embed information. There will be a box that contains some HTML code, often labeled as an embed code or something similar. This code is what allows your calendar to be displayed inside other tools like Notion. Carefully select the entire embed code and copy it to your clipboard. Now that you have the embed code, open a new tab in your browser and go to notion.com. Log into your workspace if you're not already signed in, and open the page where you want your Google Calendar to appear. You can use an existing page or create a new one specifically for your calendar view. Once your Notion page is open, click into the page body so you can type /embed as a command. You should see an option labeled embed appear in the menu that pops up. Click on that option to add an embed block to your page. A small window or field will appear asking for a link or embed code. Click into that field and paste the Google Calendar embed code you copied earlier from the Google Calendar settings. Make sure the entire code is there and that nothing was cut off. Finally, click the button to embed or add the link. Notion will take a moment to process the code, and then your Google Calendar should appear directly on the page. You can resize the embed by dragging the corners or edges so it fits nicely with the rest of your content. That's all you need to do to sync your Google Calendar view into Notion using the embed option. Now you can see your schedule at a glance without leaving your Notion workspace.